Hello guys, welcome to Big Book. Today we are going to discuss about eukaryotes and their salient features. As eukaryotes are the complex cell structures which are quite different and very well organized compared to the prokaryotes. Their salient features are like cells are larger in size, varies from 1 micron to 175,000 microns. The largest is the ostrich egg cell. The nerve cells are 1 meter in length. You can see the cells of this under the microscopic view here, and the nerve cell and the ostrich egg. And the genetic material is the DNA, and proteins are to be the histone, which combines to form the chromosomes, where these chromosomes are going to be present within a definite membrane bound cell organelle called to be as the nucleus, where this will be the nucleus, which is also going to have the nucleolus under it. Now here the DNA is the deoxyribonucleic acid, and the proteins are the histone, which are going to combine to form a scaffold-like structures, where the chromosomes are going to appear in this form of the structure during the cell divisions. Apart from the cell division, in the normal form of the cells, the DNA is going to scattered into the nuclear membrane, where it is going to present in the form of the chromatin, in the form of the double-stranded DNA structure. Apart from this, nucleolus is the added feature within the nucleus. Now in the next slide, membrane-bound organelles like the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex here, and mitochondria and lysosome, these organelles are going to be absent in prokaryotes. These are the added organelles within the eukaryotes. And the two envelope system is observed, that is the plasma membrane of the cell, which is going to be a circumference or the circumferential form of the membrane, and the secondary membranes for the organelles. For mitochondria there will be a separate membrane, which are organized as similar to the plasma membrane in the molecular form, but quite different with the specificity of their own. And also the endoplasmic reticulum, and also the Golgi complex, lysosomes and centrosomes, these certain chloroplasts, these are the certain added organelles which are going to have the secondary form of the membranes, which are going to be present. And even the nuclear membrane is also a secondary form of the membrane, because these are called to be as the secondary form of the membranes, as they are going to be little bit different from in the specification compared to the plasma membrane, and they are going to present within the cell. And larger ribosomes occur both as free and also bound to endoplasmic reticulum. Here this is the free part of the ribosome suspended freely in the cytoplasm, and these are the ribosomes. This is the endoplasmic reticulum, which is again called to be as the rough endoplasmic reticulum, where this rough endoplasmic reticulum will be having the ribosomes attached to it. So here this is the one. And compared to the animal cells, plant cells are going to have a added feature on the plasma membrane, that is the cell wall, which will be made up of the cellulose. This same feature is not going to be present in the animal cells. And the next feature is plasma membrane is distinct and form external covering. The plasma membrane is the complete external covering. It is not going to form any form of the internal covering. And also the from the plasma membrane, the flagella and the cilia are going to get originated. Here, if you are going to observe in this organism, the plasmodium, vivax and the paramecium, these are going to have the flagella and the cilia, which has been originated from the plasma membrane, and these are going to be as the locomotory organs, where it is going to help the organism to move from a point to the other point in a medium in which they are surviving. And chloroplast is the one of the organ where it is going to be well organized with the plastids, which is going to have again the chlorophyll, helps in the photosynthesis process, and these chloroplasts are only present in the plant cells, which is going to help in the production of the food. Cell division is by cell cycles, that is as mitosis, which is a equational division, and meiosis as a reductional division. Equational division is going to divide the complete cell in all the aspects, even in the genetic material, equally to the daughter cells, and it is responsible for the growth of the organism with respect to the tissue, respect to the organ and to the organism. And reductional division is responsible for the sexual inheritance, that is the inheritance of the characters from one organism, one generation to the other generation, by forming the sexual cells, that is the gametes. Hence this completes the certain prokaryotic salient features. Hence we will come with a new topic in the coming days. Thank you.